Hi guys, here's your class announcement for today, 2/20/2025. I'm going to go ahead and identify the things your SWABIT for today, or your objective is identify key people and events from the 1920s and 30s, which was the Great Depression. You have your CKO, the music, Roaring Twenties versus Great Depression, Roaring Twenties versus Great Depression sketch notes, and then the politics of the 1930s Ed puzzle. All right. Then your homework will be the Roaring Twenties, Great Depression. If you didn't finish it, politics of the 1920s and 30s, and then Roaring Twenties, Great Depression sketch notes, which are due on Tuesday, and I'm going to give you explanations of everything. So your CKO today is answer the following questions and complete in sentences. Why do you think they call the 1920s the decade that roared and the 1930s had the Great Depression? You should just do the best you can to take a look at it. And then list at least two events from each decade that may have impacted each of them. Obviously, you can Google this and put them in. 5 minutes is more than enough to be able to answer this. The first one is opinionated on why you think they called it that. And then the second is the two picks. Okay. So, yeah, at that point, you should be good. You could share two events. Google, timeline 1920s events, and it'll pull it up, and you can kind of do that. Yeah. All right. The second thing that you're going to do once you're done with your CKO is you're going to do the music, where I will go ahead and play the music for you guys, and you guys are going to draw two in your notebook. It will look like this, okay, where you have the Charleston 1920s on the left side. On the right side, Brother, Can You Spare Me a Dime? And what you're going to do is you're going to have five things that come from each song. So while you're listening to this, so what you're going to be looking for is the following, okay? And you're going to be you're going to create this table in your notebook, and then you're going to need to listen to the following songs and write down five things that come to mind when you hear them. Things to record: the mood of the song, the tempo, adjectives that describe the decade. Now remember, adjectives are describing words, and images that appear in your head when you hear this. Okay? And you're going to do this on a page in your notebook. Okay? The music is located down here below for you to listen to. And then again, as you watch and listen, you're going to record five things that come to mind. And then hint, you're going to things to record the mood, tempo, adjectives, and so on with that. All right? And then finally, you're going to go ahead and do the Roaring Twenties Great Depression sketch notes. There's an explanation of it. You're going to get together with a partner, and each of you will go ahead and select one of the two articles to read. You both have to read each of the articles. So there's two articles, and there's a pair of you. Go to it, do your thing, and then file the assignment listed below. Okay? You'll have to make sure that I record who you're working with for this. All right? Have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.